Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Scriptologist from Team Noxious here today with another YouTube tutorial on Windows 10. So today we're going to go over how to create a new admin account on your Windows 10 desktop using CMD. For those of you that don't know, CMD is the command prompt. It is the terminal in which you basically can do anything on your computer using command prompt lines, command lines and strings. So first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to go down to your by the Windows 10 icon, and you're going to click on the little search, little magnifying glass if you want to call it. You're just going to type in CMD, and then when you see the command prompt pop up, you're going to right click on that. You're going to click run as administrator. It's going to pop up dialog. Just click yes, and then this is what you're going to see. Alright, so first thing you're going to do, you're going to type in net user, and then whatever you want your username to be for this new account. I'm going to just do administrator, and then you're going to put space, and then you're going to put in the password that you want to use. Alright, so password, I'll just do for now 1 2 3 4 5, and then you're going to do /add. Oh, I've already got that account on here, so let me do another one. Net user admin 2, password 1 2 3 4 5 /add. Boom. You'll see that it says the command completed successfully. Alright, so now you have your admin account you have your account created, but you haven't actually made it an admin yet. Alright, so what you're gonna do now, you're gonna do net local group, and then you're gonna type in administrators, space, and then now here you're gonna put the username of the account that you just created. So I named it admin2. I'm gonna do /add. Now you'll see the command completed successfully. So now if I type in net user, you're gonna see all the accounts that are on here. Right here you'll see the new one that I created. Alright, admin2. Now if I go into my user account settings, you'll see right here, this is the account that I just created, admin2 administrator local account. Alright, so that is, in my eyes, the easiest way to create a new admin account. There are other ways that you can do it. Obviously you can come up here, you can add someone else to this PC, click I don't have the person's sign-in information, let it load up. Then you're gonna go over here to add a user without a Microsoft account. Name admin3. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. In case you forget, pet's name Dr. Seuss. I don't think that's how you spell Seuss, but oh well. Second one, say we were born. We're gonna say Earth. 3, childhood nickname Barney. I don't know, these just random answers, guys. Click on next. Boom. Now you're gonna see the admin3 is created. Okay, and now all you gotta do, if you want to go and edit it and change it into a administrator account, just gonna click on it, click change account type. This window's gonna pop up. You're gonna go from here, click administrator, click OK. Boom. Now those are both ways that you can add a new administrator account. And again, if you ever want to get rid of the admin account or change it into a regular account because you want to get to your kids or you want to give it to a friend so they can use your computer, just come into the family and other user settings. Again, click on change account type, drop down, click student user. Alright, simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it helps everybody that needs the help, and tune in for another tutorial very soon.